Welcome to Modern Bike Cycling.
What causes bicycle chains to rust? Bicycle chains are a common item found on bicycles. They are used to connect the back wheel to the pedals and allow the bicycle to move. The chain has two main parts: a chainring and a sprocket. Chains can be made of steel, stainless steel, or aluminum. There are several reasons why bicycle chains rust. One of these is because they are exposed to water on a regular basis. Even if the bike is stored in an area that is not wet, it will still rust because of exposure to air and humidity, which leads to oxidation. Another reason is that they have been exposed too long in environments with high levels of salt or acidity, which causes corrosion from within outwards. The best way for bike owners to prevent their bicycle chains from rusting is by keeping them clean and dry as much as possible by wiping them off after every use with a rag or cloth dipped in water and then drying them off with another cloth before storing them for later use again. How to clean and store your bicycles properly. Cleaning and storing your bicycles properly is important to make sure that they last for a long time. First, wipe off any dirt or mud from the bicycle with a damp cloth. Then, use a dry cloth to wipe off the remaining water. Next, use an air pump to inflate the tires and check them for any punctures in the tires. Finally, store your bicycle in a cool and dry place away from direct sunlight. That's how you can protect your bike. Thanks for watching.